What's up, y'all? On my way to go pick up the boys. We're taking a little road trip today. So as you guys can probably tell by the title, today Drew is actually getting himself a new car, which is awesome. Drew recently got rid of his Skyline, and he's been saving up a little bit of money, and a car he's been talking about for a long time has finally popped up for sale, and he's not gonna miss the opportunity. So it's gonna be really cool, and I'm really stoked for him, and it's gonna be a great day. Big day, boys. Let's go! You pumped or what?
I'm stupid gassed.
Juiced, kid.
Did you tell the viewers what happened yet?
I said you're getting a new car. I said it's one of your, it's been a little dream car of yours.
Big fact.
For all of us.
Been sweating this thing since the day it was imported.
Yep.
Today's the hottest day of the year.
Hottest day of the year.
Thank God it has air conditioning.
That's what I was gonna say.
Love
Perfect
it.
day to test that out. Pull out the stack.
I ain't really gotta say too much.
Who needs to build a wall? We got bricks, boy, bricks. Hello. Call coming through.
I didn't bring, dude, chain broke this week. I have no earrings, no ice, but we're still flexing.
You got the J's on.
I do got the J's on. Let's go, kid. You know the vibes.
Flexing for you.
Let's go, kid.
Yeah. Time to lose our shit. Oh my God, I can't even look at it. I can't even fucking look at it. I can't even look at it. I can't even look at it. What the fuck kind of turn is this?
Take this.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Dude, look at the jet skis in the cut. Does that come with the asking price?
The heavy Chevy was not making
Yeah, you gotta
this
back
angle.
right up to the jet skis too. We're taking those.
Oh shit. Mr. Odell.
What's
Yo.
Where can I just park in here?
Yeah. Drop anchor.
Long time no see, homie.
What's going on?
How you doing?
What's up, vlog?
So here she is. Drew's new project. So Randy's buying both hatches today. Goal is to piece together two, just like we did for Jip.
Hell yeah.
For real though, Matt, you want to give us a quick tour?
All right, so it's a 1991 Nissan Silvia, SR20 DET.
Case.
Case Club. Yeah.
So we got a little red top SR action, pretty damn stock with a front mount, which is pretty cool. Still has AC. AC works.
AC works.
It's very important. We got the Vertex
Interior,
John.
That's 15 seats. Yeah.
It's a nice unit.
She's mint. She's mint. She's a rig for sure. Gonna miss it.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am.
On to bigger, better things.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, but I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna be like, I want to drive the Silvia, and it's just not gonna be here.
Got this. We got a bunch of extra parts we're gonna be throwing. We'll show you guys a little bit, but what do you think, Randall?
I'm juiced. I love it.
Are you ready?
It's got AC, which is a big one for Tucker too. So
That's really true.
had me sold there. Back in the SR gang. I can't do the RB20 anymore.
The car actually comes with an extra kit, which is really sick. It's already painted the Drew's car. I got a bunch of parts. We got brakes, rotors, gasket kit, downpipes, ride seat, stock wheel. Not bad.
Too hot to be doing this, dude.
As far as like 240s go, it's definitely clean on the 240 scale. It's definitely not a dime, but the price reflects it, so pretty excited about it.
So lit. Where's that AC?
Juice, kid. Get that shit clapping. Juice.
Vertex, baby.
I'll see the fucking trap. Catch up, cause you must have heard.
On it.
We'll find out.
Backseat of a 240.
Love it.
How is she?
No, it was good.
You look comfy. I like seeing you back in a coupe. It feels right.
I like it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Feels good.
You don't have an iPhone cord in there. I'm trying to bump some jams, kid.
Yeah. I'll give you the pass off.
Good looks. That's a friend right there, boys.
Yeah, it's on like 14,000.
50-50. Oh, get the drinks, Babs.
Love that.
Babs, kid. Let's go.
Fire.
Juice.
Dude, I'm so happy.
You want to lock one in or what?
Bag secured, kids.
Sheesh.
Big gas.
How's she run, dude? She smooth?
Amazing. I can't believe it.
3 dudes deep and you're
so
slammed.
great.
How
I
did it
love
feel?
It's like very dialed in fitment wise.
Feels like a new car.
Doesn't like rub like
Nice
crazy.
job, Matt.
Love it.
Worst possible road if directions could have fucking taken us. Stressing heavy right now. Oh, let them know. Let's get a little combo going. Woo! Through the roof.
Out the sunroof.
With the lefty, hitting it lefty.
No, yeah, and I got left foot on the gas pedal, playing no games.
Hold on, hold on. What are you doing?
0 cap. No capping over here, boys.
Fucking see it. Yeah, get that back in here. That tongue going wild.
Stock ass SR20. She's here, boys.
So in love.
Yeah?
Hasn't settled in, but I'm like have not been this stoked on a car since I was probably in high school.
That's so badass.
I
I'm so
love
happy
it.
for you.
I like you said, this is what I needed though.
So game plan. Let's you didn't get it on the wheels,
No.
whatever, but you have a set of wheels that you bought before you even bought a car because you were excited about them.
Stupid excited.
We'll
about
show those
them.
in a second. You take all the stickers off.
Yep.
It does have cool stickers, but you don't rock another man's stickers. That's a no-no.
That's couldn't have said it better myself. Never rock another man's stickers.
I guess we're gonna pull the kit off and see how it looks underneath the kit because the kit's held on by 2 zip ties entirely. So
Yeah.
how's the SR running though?
Good.
Yeah.
Been good. I love it.
Well, the bumper's on by literally 2 zip ties and a bunch of duct tape, and it's been whacking the quarter, ruining the paint. So we should probably just take this one off while we can. Nice. Oh, it looks cool without it. So it has a Street Faction rear bash bar with the jack point and a license plate thing, which is actually pretty cool.
Really cool. Never had one of those.
These things are like $350, plus you gotta wait like 4 months for them to come in. It actually looks kind of cool without it.
I like it too. Big fan.
I mean, obviously it's not gonna stay like this, but in the meantime,
Not bad. Take it for now.
take it for now.
There we go.
Oh, dude.
So much better.
So much better. All right, I'm all for aggressive kits, but this car is stock body and it's just so straight and so clean that it really looks good without the big ass kit on it.
I really do like it as well. Jimmy's been giving me some ideas. Might not go with this kit. Might just do like the K's Aero instead. And
So you guys know the front bumper on my Silvia? That's like the Silvia K's front bumper. It's like a nice aggressive OEM and it's poly, which is great because they don't break.
Yep. Stock body for life. You hear this, boys?
Look at those.
Something I've never had before. Metal fenders. Love it.
Oh, dude, it looks awesome. Should we put your wheels on it?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, should we use YouTube magic? There we go, boys.
There she is. Looks a lot better.
Yeah, dude. So, like I said, I'm such a fan of big kits, but this car is just too simple, clean, and beautiful to want to rock a giant kit. So, Drew got these MB Battles. They're basically polished, which is probably one of the first sets we've ever seen.
Polished.
One of Drew's favorite wheels.
By far my favorite wheels.
And
for
like
cheap anyways.
Yeah, for cheap. Like we said, it didn't come with a raise. He just let us drive home on them. So,
They look pretty hot.
dude, all the stickers off, the big kit off, new wheels, got the grill back in. This thing,
It's looking bitchin'.
it looks great, dude. Less is more.
What do you guys think? Throw the bride seats in or leave the S15 seats?
No, we got to the brides in,
Gotta
doggy.
throw the brides in.
And obviously, if you guys didn't realize this by now, this isn't a drift car, so you don't got to worry about it. This car is not getting ruined. This car is going to stay beautiful. It's going to be a nice
Straight streeter, 100%.
something for Drew to enjoy and just flexing.
Yeah, big facts. Tucker's gonna love the AC. I can't wait.
Ah, dude, this looks so good.
It really does look sick. All metal stock body Silvia AC SR20. Like, this is exactly what I wanted. I love it. Super stoked.
Oh, dude, it's welcome back, homie.
Like I said, I haven't been stoked on a car in like this in forever. So this is what I needed for motivation and everything. Time to start dumping some money into her.
I know you guys have seen quite a bit of Silvias on the channel, but who cares? They're awesome. We love them.
A little different.
This one's a little. They're all a little different. They all got. That's what's cool about these cars is, you could have 10 of them in a row, and all of them have a different feel and different look and different style. It's cool. That's what I love about these things.
I know. I miss being Silvia gang with you too, to tell you the truth. So you got to get back in it.
Got to figure out the whole body kit situation. Once that's figured out, we'll get Drew a nice standalone ECU, put some bigger injectors in it, bump it up just a little bit because there's a little bit of untapped power in SR20s, and then just enjoy it.
And hopefully like a disco potato, a bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna order it. I gotta cake up some funds again, but very soon I'm gonna start ordering some stuff.
Let us know what you guys think of Drew's new Silvia. Let us know if there's anything you guys want to see with it, because I don't know how much footage we got because it's been like I said, we've been so distraught in this heat. So with that, we're gonna end it for today. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Drew too.
See you next time. Stay tuned for more content.